Yo, it is the stock market recap, and I'm going to teach you how to use technical analysis in the stock market. Let's check out the charts and see if they give us any clue for what could potentially happen next week. Big thank you to you once again for the shares and the likes. Thank you for helping me grow, period. And I appreciate giving you my help on the stock market. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, give me that thumbs up, leave a comment, and we can have a conversation. So let's jump into it. The S&P closed at 44.90, and we have ourselves a record high, ladies and gentlemen. We got 45.59.67. So quick math, that's about $15 off from the record high. And pop quiz. If the market closes near record highs, what is the likelihood of continuation to the upside? That answer is high chances. So we're there. We've got our bump off of that 20-day moving average. We've tracked this quite some time now. We've seen any time it's gotten close to that, it has recovered and always moved higher. So in this instance, what do we think will likely happen? History repeating. So again, nothing is going wrong with the S&P. We are near record highs. We closed at them. We'll close close to them. And on top of that, we close above the old record high. The old record high was 45. Oh no, I'm sorry. Where are we at here? Open, close, 45, 35, 43. That was the old one. And 45, 44 is over that. Again, up. Just look up. All right, that's S&P. Let's go to the Russell. We're going to use ticker IWM. All right, so the Russell closed at 227.41. Record high is the same, 234.53. So let's zoom in and let's see what our chances are of finally getting out of this chop zone that we've been in since around February. Supports have held up. And again, we've got our 50-day moving average getting into this zone. And we've seen that the closes have been higher and the moves lower have started to go higher. So those lows are slightly getting higher here, and we're getting pressure to get out of this zone. That's not to say that it will be up for certain, but that is giving us an indication that it'll likely continue to move higher, and we will finally get out of this. And remember, my price target is and still always will be 250. So we're going to watch out for next week to see if we can finally get above 230. We got to 227 once again. A few times that we've been there, we've moved lower, but let's see if we can get out of there this week. That is IWM. Let's check out the ticker for the Dow. For those of us on Thinkorswim, that's $DJI. The Dow closed at 35,677.02. Record high is brand new, 35,765.02. So we are roughly $90, $92 off. We are at new highs. So back to my pop quiz. If the market closes near or at record highs, chances are continuation are higher. We're pretty good here. So the Dow is looking to continue to push higher. So as we zoom in, you've seen that we've had a rectangle happening here. We've got our 20-day moving average, 50-day moving average, everything has been moving up, right? And we closed at record highs. So we're looking to see if we can get some continuation next week. And then we'll be going into November on strength. And November is generally a pretty good month anyway. So that's following along with the trend. That is the Dow. And last but not least, we will check out the Nasdaq, and we use ticker NDX. Nasdaq closed at 15,355.07. Record high is 15,701.04. So we got pretty close to that. Again, this one has been following the trend very well. Anytime it's hit its 20-day moving average, it has bounced and recovered and went higher. And we just hit our 20-day moving average again 3 weeks ago. And we are back on the move to get to those highs. So let's go ahead and recap for what we've got here with the stock market. We've got the S&P near record highs, pushing higher. We've got IWM finally looking pretty good in order to get out of that zone to get to the target that I set, 250. We've got the Dow at record highs. And now we have the Nasdaq, which is approaching its record high. So all of the indexes are moving in an upward direction. And we're heading into a month that has been historically also pretty bullish. So I'd say all signs look good for the market to continue to move to record highs. I do not have a price target set for the S&P or for the other indexes as of yet, because I haven't done the analysis in order to do that. But IWM 250 still my target. Yes, I know it's been a while, but targets don't change unless the price action changes. So that's it for this week. Remember, get outside. All right, it's important. It's healthy for you. Get outside, get you some fresh air, and enjoy yourself. Life is too short for you not to enjoy it. Spend some time with some people that you love. Get some laughter. Laughter is the best medicine. And also make sure you drink your water, man. Drink your water. Stay healthy out here. Everything is coming to get you for whatever they can get you for. On that note, we're going to sign out and we'll check in next week. All right, peace.